The F-35 is America's most advanced stealth multirole fighter, designed in 3 versions: the F-35A for Air Force use, the F-35B with short takeoff and vertical landing capability, and the F-35C. It uses stealth shaping, powerful sensors, and data fusion to dominate the battlefield, allowing pilots to detect and strike enemies before being seen. Many countries, including the UK, Japan, and Italy, operate the jet. Its main drawbacks are its high cost, complex maintenance, and slightly lower speed and agility compared to pure air superiority fighters.